Hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi KVG, hi Saki. I am a lady aged 32 years and need your help. In 2023, I joined a Pentecostal church after an invitation from a colleague. I ended up leaving church Yandaipinda because I was moved by the sisterhood that I saw and experienced there. So in our group of women under the leadership of my pastor, we agreed that we each contribute $10 every month so that we buy gifts for mothers with newborn babies as well as buy gifts for women vachata. This money would also cover expenses for our quarterly social events. So it's important for me to mention that last year I started dating a man who told me he was divorced. He would treat me to romantic dates and the like. Ladies, I am ashamed to tell you that I fell pregnant in April. And when I told him, he is married with 3 kids and has no intention to marry me. I was heartbroken. Abanumbu ku church, everyone was asking kuti putting pressure kusvika ndakusaenda ku church. I stopped at 6 months. After I had given birth, I went back and for some reason, everyone had learned that I had a child with a married man. So my issue is, I expected to receive gifts, usually clothes and baby accessories, and a baby shower for my baby as we do for others. After months, Pasina Chataurika, I asked the treasurer about my gift, and she said, Taurana Mom, my pastor. When I raised the issue with her, she said, it's unfortunate we can't give you a gift. Nor can we throw a baby shower, because you were involved with a married man. You are a bad example to the other women and young ladies. My heart was shattered, guys. Since 2023, I was making contributions, and my mfundisi is denying me my baby shower and gift that I rightfully deserve. Vedare, is this fair? I escalated the matter to the pastor and he said, Handipindire nyadzi madzimai. So it seems no one can help me, not even the other ladies who are part of the group. I intend to make it a police case, and my sister says Ratowe drama. What can I do to recover my money? I need help, guys. Yo,
okay. Ndoza maifambira kaitsaki tanga iwewe.
Dinelita.
I can imagine.
Oh, well, she's been contributing, and avanombo vakapa ma conditions when they were pakatanga nyaye ku contribute.
I'm assuming ma conditions anenge ari kufamba negwara rechurch.
Okay.
That's what I'm thinking.
All right, even then ari ma conditions. Listen, Kudzi, just because mwana aitirwa out of wedlock in a church, do you then ignore the existence of that child? Because in this case, the idea is to buy gifts and accessories to help the mother.
Yeah, to help the mother.
And the baby.
Yeah, and maybe let's forget about the mother. Yes, there's a child.
Ngatitire mwana because mwana anozvarwa aina mai vari kupinda musangano iroro. Mwana yezvirule automatically ato mwana wesangano. You understand? So if you're doing it for other children in the church, other babies that are born in the church, and then you have to put a condition on this child, come on, guys.
Yeah, our WhatsApp platform is blazing right now, and obviously you will find that, views are split. Because someone is saying kuti akuna zvakadaro nyangwe pasina policy yakaitwa. I know kuti kana utori pachechi unozviziva kuti ukaita mwana outside wedlock, you cannot expect the church to celebrate that. So forget about my gifts. This one also coming in says siyana nazvo mwari asiwe munhu wani zvichaitika kuvana vavo kana mwana wa iye mai mfundisi. On 0772162651, another one also coming in says, I am with you there to make it a police case because you have been contributing since 2023. Now it's your turn. I'm sure nyaya iyi unogona kubatsirika ukaenda kumapurisa. Okay, let's get to find out kuti muri kufungewo nenhau yatinayo mudzimai akajoina church muna 2023 mushure mekunge ainvitwawo necolleague akatangawo kuita ma contributions ake towards zvavanoitawo semadzimai vanobatanidza mari yekuita mababy shower, mari yekutengerawo mwana hembe kana pachinzi pane one of the ladies anenge abatsirwa, and also anzi masocial events avanoita. Zvisinei mudzimai uyu akazopindawo murelationship akaita nhumbu nemurume wemunhu zvikazikanwa pachechi, saka akabva anzi hatina chatinokwanisa kukupa. Someone says this is a tricky one, KVG, because I feel kuti machechi ava judgmental these days, ko kungopa mwana chipo. This one also coming in, also citing the fact that it might be a case of abuse in the church, abuse of power. Kuti mai mufundisi ndiwo vakutonga here. What are the other ladies saying about this matter? 0772162651. Feel free to call in. Let's get to hear kuti murikuiono say hot topic yedu ya nasi. This one says ndidini ndinongosiya church ndosiyana nazo. Star family.
Hi KVJ.
Makadi yenyu munofara?
Ndiri right. Ndotanga nekuti makorokoto amene zvaitaurwa nasaki.
Zvaitaurwa izvozvo tinotenda tichifambirana.
Yeah, so what I think is most churches are scammed now. So I'm sorry for her for what she's going through, because it's if you can say that. So I think maybe making it a police case, if she feels it was something written down and formalized, which I contribute and maybe she can do something about that. But then as far as going to the church is concerned, I think she should make a way out of that church, because the church is not a place for judgment. Judgment is already it's not a place to be. So I would say if it's not that much, just walk away and find a place for yourself where you feel at home, where people welcome you with your child and your situation.
Yeah.
As opposed to trials, it might just get messy, like as this I say, drama, and you don't want the. Exactly. So just make your way out of the church, but peacefully, and find your own space.
Thank you so much for that contribution. To say just walk away peacefully. No need for you to enda kumapurisa wakuita hanzira drama, like the sister said. This one says kuenda kumachechi maakutongozvinetsawo zvenyu kazhinji kacho kubatirana chete. This one also coming in says party maybe no, the baby shower, but gifts quietly. The baby has done nothing. So this one is saying maybe we might not then celebrate and do a baby shower for you, but I think mwana anongo deserve zvipo semwana mutsva auya. This one also coming in says Jesus Christ forgave everyone's sins, so why is it the pastor's wife cannot forgive? Saki, what's your take here?
See, the thing is, this lady was contributing money.
Ndizvozvo.
Daya isa contributor mari, arikungo expect a baby shower, it would be another case. This lady was contributing $10 every month. There is not a point where she was told the conditions if you happen to have a child out of wedlock. And remember also, she is also exactly yes, admire kadembo.
Yeah.
So now and then for you to then blame. Yes, I understand celebrating. Let's not celebrate that, because obviously then you are giving an example. Okay, maybe we're saying it's okay to the ones that are growing up, but koma gifts. Because I think there's some form of accountability that the church has to do there. I understand what the lady is going through, but since it seems like a dead end, that no one from the church can help her, I suggest she just leaves the church and put the matter in God's hands. That's from Samantha Pachita.
Someone also coming in my side, Saki, to say, kutidai mwana akashaya vaisa chema here, mwana azvarwa, let's just celebrate, and zvipo zvakafanirana nemwana ngazviende kwaari. Church ndingada kuiziva vanofana kuexposewa. Unfortunately, that's not what we do on the show. Kungotora hot topic sezvairi tobatsiranawo, but not to expose the church. But let's also get to find out where your mind is at here. Maswera say. Ndinotenda baba vangu. Maswera say. Taswera zvakanaka. Muri kuona sei kutonga kwaitwa na my pastor?
Sometimes offenses are done now. maybe bhegetsana kuti principles zvokuti hatichikurudzira muchechi medu. Saka iye ndikuridzira hangu kuti asaende kumapurisa, zvaangotsvaga imwe chechi dzakawanda